Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines.
I have a shield in the back. Other side, other side.
Just keep going, just keep going.
Get out of the vehicle! Driver!
We need a shield.
I can't see shit.
Alright, Jason, you want to do the trunk? Yeah. Come on me, come on behind me. You ready? Yep. Clear. Watch the rock. Yep. Clear.
51's on the vehicle somewhere. Listen, look, there's a pocket right here. I mean, he could be on that side. Or those bushes up there.
I really do.
I bet you he's tucked underneath those rocks over there somewhere.
That's what I think too.
Because that's the closest way to bail. He's going to be over here. And I guarantee you he's somehow traveling in one direction or another. I don't know what side he's on.
You guys got it?
White male, short buzz cut hair. What's up, Mike? Might be wearing a light blue shirt, possibly armed. The vehicle's back there that he bailed from.
It's not working.
Can y'all check along here? Check this way.
Taser shot, bro. What are y'all doing? Can y'all talk to me before y'all just start doing something?
Why are you all wet?
Get on your knees.
Why?
Get on your knees.
Swimming. I'm in the.
Get on your knees.
I can't, bro. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
What are you doing?
I'm not doing nothing. I can't come out here and exercise myself.
Hey, you still... Oh, okay. Your camera on? We're not stupid, bro.
Yes.
I'm not stupid either.
Then why the fuck
I'm
you
not
all
bad,
wet
bro.
walking down the sidewalk?
Hey, my right hand,
Come over
please.
here.
My right hand. My right hand. My right hand.
Where's your car?
It's not.
there.
Please.
Right behind the truck.
Hand.
Fix it in a second.
What is going on? Why y'all talking to me, Chris? Why y'all doing it? What's going on? My right hand, I can't feel I have right. Okay. I don't give a fuck what y'all think y'all got going on.
I'm rocking about.
Man, this shit hurting, bro.
Yes, sir.
Hey, make sure you pat him down first.
Wait, I don't know if my shield's back there. Let me see if my shield's back here.
Actually, come over
What's
here.
going on? Can I call my people, please? What do y'all got going on?
Signal one.
Multi-time conviction.
Yeah, he had a bunch of beers in the car.
No, my first time, bro.
They were cold.
Watch out. Watch out. We're in the car. Give me.
Porfa. Quiero respeto. Porfa.
Put it on.
Mis manos, güey.
Yo no sé cómo hacerlo.
Pero no.
Jose, do I need to put this on you?
Is that-
Or you gonna behave?
I'm gonna behave.
All right, cool.
Hey. Can I
Put the
talk to you
window
as a
down.
man?
I'm gonna put this
Okay, I fucked up.
His phone, thank you.
In my right hand, bro. Can I get some respect, bro? I go both ways.
No.
All right, hold on.
So I don't need to put this on.
Where would you go now? How did y'all find me?
Well, you left your ID, first of all.
But I don't care about that, but how did y'all find me right now?
Baby, it's the keys. What do you mean? Where are you gonna go? There's only one way. Where are you gonna go?
I didn't start getting out on the sidewalk.
Why didn't you stop when I start? I was just gonna give you a ticket.
Oh, that was you that pulled me?
Yeah.
But I don't have, you would have took me to jail.
I wouldn't take, dude, I literally would have given you a ticket.
You know what I'm saying?
I would have given you a ticket unless you're not telling me. Tell me what's up.
Scared, like, I know I'm going back to jail. Like, that's what I tried to prevent. You know, that's all it was.
Did he Mirandize you, yeah?
Huh?
He Mirandized you?
Yeah, he ran me around right.
And you're gonna talk, and you want to talk to me?
I don't care.
All right, listen, bro. What the hell? Like, why did you? I was literally just gonna give you a ticket.
Scared, bro. I was scared.
For what?
I'm about to tell you, you're not just gonna give me a ticket. It's not your average.
You have,
over.
and I'm not your average cop.
Well, I don't know that. I don't know who's putting me over. So it was nothing personal towards you.
Where'd you get the car from?
Get the fuck up out of there.
Where'd you get the car? Whose car is that? Whose car is that? It's your girl's car?
Spare car.
Okay, what is? Does she have any kids? Does she have any kids?
We have a nephew on break.
What's his name?
Jose. We call him Jules.
He's how old?
15. His dad died.
What's her name? What's her name?
In his life like years ago.
What is her name?
And I'm just trying to help him. All I was down here working, you know what I'm saying?
You were worried about a stupid DUI? Is that what you were worried about?
But I know, like, to me in my mind, like, I'm going to jail, and I know, at the end of the day, I know I'm wrong for the, like, you know, but because I don't got no license, that don't mean I can support myself. You know,
Yeah, but you just caught
I'm just trying to make
more
it.
charges for no reason.
Huh?
You just got a whole bunch more charges for no
But
reason.
I always catch about 15. It's okay. My record tells you that. It's nothing new. I was scared. Hey, since you put that on me, I'm gonna stop talking, okay? I don't want to talk no more. That's the good place for it. I don't need it. Nowhere, I ain't talking no more. You got the camera. We on Facebook and shit now. What are they talking about a gun?
Hey,
Why that dude ask me about a gun?
I have him in the backseat of my car. Okay.
Hey, permiso.
I'll call you as soon as, of course.
Hey, so what was that, a supervisor? The one with the little collar shirt, with the white shirt? The one I was talking to right before you took me off?
No.
That's your supervisor?
No.
Detective? So what was he asking me about a gun though? Like, I'm very confused about that part. Because if I would have had a gun, I would have blown my brains out right there in that Tahoe. Like, I'm telling you that.
You didn't have a firearm?
No, ma'am. I don't know what he said something about a firearm. And I don't know about a firearm. Did y'all catch me with a firearm? Nothing like that?
Someone said they saw you with one.
So I was just wondering what he talking about a firearm. Huh?
Where do you live now?
What am I can't hear you.
Where do you live now?
Across the stretch, Florida City. Florida City, Homestead, somewhere around there. I don't know, somewhere.
You don't live in Fort Myers?
No, I'm from Fort Myers, but I just moved down here last year. Just trying to make it, you know, like trying to get away from everything. I got off drugs and everything.
You have drugs in the car? Is that why
I just got a drinking problem.
Did you have drugs in the car?
No, I don't do drugs.
I don't want no kids finding it, dude.
No, I don't do drugs. Like I told you, I got a drinking problem, and that's on camera. I got a drinking problem here and there, but it's not everyday drinking, you know? But I don't know, my life went to shit all of a sudden. Like, how do you go to sleep in your life where you wake up and your whole life is turned upside down? So you're the arresting officer?
Yes, sir.
Yes? So can I ask you what charges am I getting?
Yeah, you're gonna get
Fleeing and looting, I know that much. No license. And that's it? Please? I'm cool with 2. I've been nice. You could do 4 or 5. I know you could. Like, look, I know the law. I spent 15 years in prison.
What do you think you're charged?
Huh?
What do you think you're charged?
Driving without a license and fleeing and looting. And what else?
Open containers.
But those were mine. So open container, that's a misdemeanor, right? Am I correct? So it's a misdemeanor. And the fleeing and looting is a misdemeanor here. Felony. And the driving with no license, misdemeanor. Fuck, bro.
No? Okay. He's not gonna do field
I'll take the
exercises,
DUI
but you'll do
again.
the you'll do the breathalyzer.
I'll take the DUI.
All right, let's go blow.
I'll take the DUI.
All right, come on, Bobby. I want you to listen, okay? Don't get squirrely on me. I don't want to put you in chains. I will.
I'm not worried about that.
Listen.
I'm telling you, I'm not worried about whatever the worst y'all think y'all do. I've been through it. I'm not worried about it. I just want to get booked and try to get the fuck out. Like, I want to get the process going. Like, whatever the charge is.
All right, come on.
Come on, man. But I'm not.
Let's just take you in there to blow real quick.
I'm not.
Let's just take you in there to blow. Let's just take you in.
Give me DUI.
Come on, baby. I'm just gonna take you in there to blow.
Give me DUI. I'm gonna fail.
All right, come on. Huh?
I want to blow. I'm not gonna blow. I'm not gonna blow. Might as well take the DUI. Y'all don't give it to me anyway. I know my love. I can beat it without blowing.
What time is it? 2:11. Right around the corner.
I'm not going to. You give me the charge. Just charge me.
No, I'm gonna go to the motion.
I have to do. Well, then you get another charge. Don't do that.
Well, I'm gonna get it anyway. I can't beat it by blowing.
Come on.
I can't beat it by blowing.
Yeah, but you're gonna get another charge, period.
For what? Refuse?
For refusing. Here, sit here.
But it's a
Sit here.
DUI. It's
Sit here.
a DUI. But I can beat it without blowing. I know. I can't do it. Just put refusal, please.
If you want to refuse, that's perfect.
I'm just letting you know ahead of time.
Okay, I understand that, but
It's the same charge. It's gonna be the same charge if I blow it, and then I'm fault if I blow. I'm not blowing. I know my rights and I know my laws. Too much time in law libraries. I'd rather just take the charge, bro. Y'all gonna give it to me anyway. You're gonna get stuck if I blow.
alright, I'm gonna ask you some questions here. There's some prerequisite questions I have to ask. Are you ill?
No.
Okay. Are you wearing any dentures with false teeth?
Yeah, real.
They're real, so no. Any foreign substances in your mouth at all? Chewing gum, tobacco? Just open up, let me see. Okay. And will you be willing to take the breath test?
No. No refusal.
Okay.
Give me a
I have to
charge.
read you the implied consent form, advising of the repercussions to your driver's license.
Hey, and I was confused. I don't know who that dude was in the plain clothes over there at the arrest site. He said something about, where's the gun? And I'm like, what are you talking like? What is this firearm you talking about? Because I don't want to be charged with something that I don't know nothing about. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I don't know.
they didn't catch me with no firearm, no nothing. Like,
I know nothing about it, and
okay.
all you know is I need some information.
I'm not trying to be an asshole, bro. I know you got your job to do, you know?
Listen, I understand you got a lot on your mind right now.
Too much. And it's not even this. This is the least of the shit on my mind. Like I told her, this is a vacation for a couple of days. So refusal comes up the same as a DUI though, right?
I'm sorry, it's an additional charge to the DUI.
To the DUI?
It's been two separate different things.
So if I blow, hold on, before you sign all that shit. Before I blow, I just catch a DUI instead of additional charge on top of the
If you
DUI?
provide a breath sample, you're still getting charged with DUI.
Okay, so,
Okay.
but I won't get the additional on top of it.
Well, I believe it was January 1st of this year that a new law came into effect where it used to be.
Please let me understand.
It used to be a first-time refusal was, just.
The same as the DUI.
It wasn't chargeable unless you had a prior DUI refusal. Okay. And it was a misdemeanor. Now, first-time refusal is a misdemeanor of the second degree.
But that's on top. So I'm gonna get a DUI and a additional charge? Is that correct?
Okay. Yeah, so DUI, period. Okay? Refusal is another
DUI
part.
and
DUI, if you refuse a misdemeanor, another one,
so
depending on your driving history, which I don't know.
That's your fault.
If you have
It's fault.
if you have a prior DUI with a refusal already, it's now.
Oh, I never had a refusal.
It's now a first degree misdemeanor. Okay. So it's a misdemeanor DUI. It's a misdemeanor refusal. Just depends on the degree. First, second.
So hold on, can you help me out? Cause I want to know like the since you told me it's a new law, that's new to my understanding. You know what I'm saying? So you saying right now, by me saying no, I'm not gonna take that test.
I'm good, yeah.
By me saying no, I'm not
I
gonna.
just need a DL photo of his if you can get it for me from Tiffany or something.
Hey, so I'm understood before you go and sign all of that, right? Because I will go blow. If I'm only gonna get the DUI.
I gotta wait for this to go through the motions with this.
But if I blow and I crash out, right? So, for say I crash out on the blow.
You get 3 tries to do 1 sample.
But if I'm gonna crash out, I'm telling you. But that's why I refuse, okay? So, but if I blow, I only get 1 misdemeanor. But if I refuse, I get the DUI and a misdemeanor.
Correct.
Let me go. Let me get the 1 misdemeanor then.
Okay. Listen, we're not there.
I'm gonna crash out though.
Think about it. Think about it to yourself. Okay.
No, I'd rather have 1. That's another $300. Yeah, I'll blow. Fuck my shoulder. Oh. Yeah, I'm ready to get booked, bro.
Hey, it's kind of pen. Can you help me out with this 72-mile marker? Yeah, I need his name, date of birth, and DL number.
According to arrest records, Joshua Derek Guajardo was charged with aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer with a deadly weapon, fleeing and eluding law enforcement with disregard for safety, DUI with a blood alcohol level over 0.15, and driving while license revoked. All individuals are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for news reporting, educational, and commentary purposes using publicly available records and footage. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.